On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a
Hi guys,
partridge in a pear
Merry
tree.
Christmas and a Happy New Year.
On the second day
Today,
of Christmas,
uh,
my true love gave
I
to
just
me
want to express
two
my
doves and a partridge in a
gratitude and
pear
I
tree.
thank you so much
On the
for
third day of
viewing
Christmas,
my
my true
videos
love gave to me
on
three
those
French hens,
previous
two
years,
turtle
and
doves, and
I
a
hope
partridge in a
that
pear
this
tree.
new year will
On the
be more
fourth day of
prosperous to all
Christmas,
of
my
us
true love gave to me
and
four calling
to
birds,
all
three French hens, two
uh,
turtle doves,
viewers
and a
and subscribers
partridge
alike.
in a pear
So I thank you
tree.
guys so much
On the
for
fifth
viewing
day
my
of
videos,
Christmas, my true love
and I
gave
hope
to
for the new
me
year we will have
five
more
golden
tutorials
rings,
on
four
blacksmithing.
calling birds,
Right
three
now,
French hens, two turtle doves, and a
I expect you
partridge
to
in a pear tree. On the
be
sixth day of
happy
Christmas,
and
my true
healthy
love
for
gave
the
to
new year.
me six geese a
Merry
laying,
Christmas and a
five
Happy New Year.
golden
Thank you guys for
rings,
all my
four
subscribers and
calling
viewers,
birds,
and I
three
hope you'll
French
continue
hens,
viewing my
two
videos.
turtle
Have
doves,
a nice
and
day,
a
guys.
partridge in
Take
a
care.
pear tree. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me seven swans a